Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's Deezy. We're going to do a quick look at the THY Phantasm. Just got this courtesy of Tom Top. We're going to do a quick unboxing and first look at it. And we will do a flight test later. So let's go ahead and pull it on out and get a look at it. Of course, I already opened the box. I can't help myself sometimes. Y'all know how it is. Anyway, boom, y'all. In the box comes your little bag of goodies. I'm not going to go through the whole thing. In your bag of goodies, you get your USB charger, of course, a screwdriver, prop guards, phone mount, and strangely enough, only two props. Only two extra props. Now that's a little different. Most of the time, you always get 4 extra props, you know, full set. But for some reason, TYH only gives you 2 extra props. Now this drone is courtesy of Tom Top. I want to say thanks to you guys for sending me this drone for review. Sweet looking little drone. I really like the look of it. It almost looks like a Spark. I mean, it really almost looks like a Spark. Really close. Here's my biggest no-no that I do not like whatsoever. Of course, it's a proprietary battery. Now, this is the JST connection. So I'm sure with this being a 25C 3.7 volt 1200 mAh battery that you could probably use a different battery about this size and just use the JST to plug in right there. Can you guys see it? Don't really have a lot of light, but the JST connection is just right there. There we go. See it? Right there. So I'm sure that you can find a battery to slide in there and connect with the JST connector and just, you know, put a rubber band on it or something. You know, I'm sure something like that would work. But let's go ahead and plug that in and give you a shot of the lights. It's got pretty decent lights under the bottom. You know, and again, I mean, it's got good lighting on it. Don't get me wrong. But I would like to see lighting here, 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 and under here. Because you're not always going to be up above yourself like this. You're not always going to be up there like that. You know, sometimes it's going to be at eye level. And let me turn those on again. At eye level, you really can't see them unless you're like this. But we'll see on the flight test. But there's your drone. Comes with the drone. The legs are a little long, I think. I think they probably could have cut down a little bit on this landing gear because, and honest to God, in my opinion, that's a lot of wind drag. It's going to be a lot of drag. And these are brushed motors. They're brushed motors. They're not brushless. Comes with a, I believe it's a 720p camera that snaps on the bottom, and it does swivel. That is one thing I do like about it because a lot of them won't swivel. A lot of them, they just stick on there and stuck, you know, for these toy grade drones. But this one does swivel, and that's awesome. That is freaking awesome. I love it. And here is your controller. This is a really sick looking controller. It feels good. I could use a little bit more grip here. These are pretty slick. They may have an LED in there. I can't really tell. They might have an LED in here. I haven't put any batteries in it yet. It takes 3 AA batteries. I've got some, no biggie. throw some in there here in just a second. Matter of fact, I'll do that here in a minute. Controller. It has automatic takeoff, automatic land. I really like where your rate controls are. I like that a lot. Oh, that's not automatic takeoff and land. I'm sorry. That's the generic return to home right here. This is the land. This is takeoff. This right here is for the flips. Not sure what this is. And this is for flips and headless mode. I think it's a short press for a flip and long press for headless mode. Then you have your camera and your filming button here. Power, of course, right here. I don't like that. This is one. Let's see if you guys can see that. This is one of those buttons that, see how it sticks out? And then you power it on and it sticks in. It's one of those ones that goes click, 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 instead of just a touch to power button. I don't like that because that might wear out. I like the sticks. I like the feel of this. It's almost like an Xbox controller. And I believe, nope, that's fake. I knew it. The antenna is fake. I knew it. I don't know why they do that. I don't understand it. Why make a fake antenna? Because look, this is what made me think about it. This right here is that square thing. They could have made a real antenna. This feels kind of cheap too. They could have made a real antenna on the transmitter and had the little loop that slides over the top of this for your phone holder. Why didn't they do that? Why put a fake antenna on there and then you plug your phone holder into the top? I don't like that at all. So, TYH, no good. This is no good. I mean, we'll still see if the drone is good, but the whole fake antenna thing, in my opinion, that's a waste of money. And why not just put the antenna in here and you would actually get a better product. You get better range out of your product. Why hide a little fake antenna in there? I'm going to end up taking this apart and seeing see what the antenna looks like in there. But anyway, guys, that's what comes with the Phantasm by TYH. I'm a little disappointed on some of the stuff in here so far, but like I said, haven't flown it yet, so I'm not going to be quick to judge like some people on some of these other channels that you see out there. I'm going to give it a shot, and if it messes up, I'll give it another shot. I'm not going to call crapola on it like other people do. Hey guys, I went ahead and put some batteries in here. I figured I'd add this to the video. There's no sense in not. But I put some batteries in here, went ahead and fired up. To bind to the drone, it's, as usual, up, down on the left stick. You got your camera. Single press for camera, hold for video. You'll get 2 beeps. Single press for flips. Do your flip. Long press for headless mode. So now it's in headless mode. I'll take it out of headless mode again. But I'll get with you guys later whenever I get a chance. It's like, seriously, we have the worst weather here this year. It's like perfect one day, and then I go to get some stuff done with another drone, and then boom, next thing you know, the weather's crappy again. But I'll get a test flight on this guy here before too long. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below, you guys. DZ ain't got nothing but love for all you people. You guys rock. Y'all are the reason that I'm here. I like to take care of you guys. We'll see y'all in the next video. Peace out.